for you to be away.
Hello everyone, it's me, Irela Canaria, and welcome to my math serye. In this video, it is all about addition of dissimilar fractions. Mag-share ako sa inyo ng mas madaling method kung papaano mag-a-add ng dissimilar fractions. So, let's start. Una sa lahat, ano nga ba ang dissimilar fractions? So, we have our example 1/2 and 1/3. Our first denominator is 2 and the second one is 3. So, dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators. Since I've said earlier that this video is all about adding dissimilar fractions, let's start with our step 1. Multiply the denominators. So, 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Now, let's move on to our step 2. Cross multiply. We will multiply the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. Now, let us multiply the denominator of the first fraction and the numerator of the second fraction. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Since addition ang ating operation, maglalagay tayo ng plus sign sa gitna ng 3 and 2. Now, let's move on to our step 3. Add the products of step 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now, we have our answer 5/6. But we have our step 4. Reduce into lowest term if possible. Since in this case, there are no common factors of 5 and 6, hindi na natin marireduce sa lowest term ang 5/6. So, 5/6 is our final answer. Diba? Napakadali mag-add ng dissimilar fractions. Now, let's have another example. 1/3 plus 2/6. So, let us multiply the denominators. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. Now, let's have our step 2. Cross multiply. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. At maglagay ulit tayo ng plus sign. Now, let's go to our step 3. Add the products of step 2. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now, we have our answer 12/18. But remember, we have step 4. Reduce into lowest term if possible. In this case, 12/18, pwede natin siyang i-reduce since may common factor ang 12 and 18. So, we will going to identify the greatest common factor of 12 and 18, which is 6. So, 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2, and 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So, our final answer is 2/3. Napakasimple. Ganun lang kadali ang pag-a-add ng dissimilar fractions. Kung may natutunan ka sa video na ito, hit the like button at i-subscribe mo na rin ang aking channel. And also, hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga upcoming videos ko. Thank you for watching. Bye!